You are welcome again. In this video that we're going to start, we are going to look at how we can navigate to a named cell, range of cells, or a workbook elements within Microsoft Excel. So to do that, of course, I have a list of procedures here, but I will go directly and show you how this one is done. So we are going to be using Microsoft Windows, and we are going to use a shortcut, a keyboard shortcut called Ctrl plus G. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and open Microsoft Excel. And after opening Microsoft Excel, I can select one of the recent documents, and here is my document, which is open. After this, I can maybe select this sheet. So when I'm on this sheet, I want to like navigate to different tables and sheets within this. So what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and press Ctrl plus G. Now when I say that, when I do that, now you see I'll get a dialog box window on the screen where they're saying go to. Now you see the number of worksheets which are available. Like I have lunch facilitation, which is this. I have payment, which is this, and then I have payment time sheets. So normally these are like these are what? These are the sheets. Then I have sheet table 1, table 2, table 3, and then I have this cell which is H8, and by default, you know, H8 is this one which is selected. So like if I select that, I think yeah, but before I go to those other things, let us see how to navigate to these sheets. So if I want to go to like lunch, I want to shift from this current open sheet to the lunch facilitation sheet. Go ahead and select that, then press OK, and then you see now you'll be navigated to this. If you want to go to maybe payment timesheet, go ahead and press Ctrl G, get this, then select payment timesheet, press OK, and then you see a new worksheet will be open. So in a simple term, like for example, if I want to select a table, go ahead, press Ctrl G, select table 2, and then from there you will see the worksheet is open. Now this is how we can really do the navigation when you have many sheets and then you want to navigate from one sheet to another as you work within your Microsoft Excel workbook. Otherwise, thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.